Hello everybody, this is Kevin from CPU Tampa. I'm going to start a series off, Will It Game? And I picked up a bunch of used computer parts. Let me show you the drop here. It's going to start off with these Dell and HP mini PCs and then going around with a lot of used parts that I got in. Got a server here. And we're going to be building these out and testing them for gaming in a series called Will It Game 2024. Okay, we're going to start with this Optiplex 3050. This is a Intel i3 7100T, 3.4 gigahertz. I think it might boost to 3.6, or that might be the full boost, but 256 gigs of SSD, 8 gigabyte DDR4 2400, and something is definitely wrong with it. You see how slow it is? It is just very unresponsive. CPU is pegged at 100. Now the power supply did say that it was not the original Dell, or there was a problem with the power supply. So I'm probably going to try to dig around for another power supply, but right now it's stuck at 100%. Okay, so we have a problem. I figured it out. It is the power supply is giving me this problem that says the AC power adapter wattage type cannot be determined, but yet it does work. I mean, it's booting up, it's going into Windows. So let me click continue here. It's so laggy. It's so laggy. Okay, we're back in Windows. That took forever to boot up. Okay, so if I go to Task Manager, this is the problem we're having. Look how slow that is. Okay, so the CPU is only running at 800 megahertz, 0.79 megahertz, or gigahertz. So 800 megahertz, basically. It's supposed to be running at 3.4. So the CPU seems to be running at 100%. Now, even when it does calm down, it still basically is running at 100%. That's because it's running at such a low frequency here. So, a computer running at 800 megahertz is going to be very slow, and I think that's it. So I downloaded this program called Thermal Throttle, and this is by Tech Power Up. So this is the workaround that I have figured out. I've done BIOS upgrades, I've done video driver upgrades, I've done the Intel chipset controller upgrade. Been reading forums for over an hour, and everything that has been said on Dell's website, nothing works. They're saying upgrade all the chipset, reboot, do the power or the BIOS update. Did it all, nothing happens. Windows updates, nothing happens. So that's all chasing your tail, going down a wrong end. Thermal Throttle is by Tech Power Up. So if I run this, if you notice here now, as soon as I run this program, the speed goes back up. So this eliminates some kind of power state that Dell is implementing on their power supply. So this is a fix. So this is not a Dell power supply. I just have a standard, laptop power supply that I've tested so many things that are 19, I think it's like 19.3. Let me look at it real quick. 19.5 volt, 3.34 amp. So this has worked on anything that is that voltage, and this is that voltage. This is the right amperage, and so Dell has something built into their power supply that keeps it from working properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shut it down and dig for another power supply. So be right back. Parts. And thank goodness I have a lot of extra parts laying around. But this is an original Dell. You see it there? Dell. Original Dell adapter for a laptop or one of these little portable units or mini units. And I'm going to plug this in and get right back. Okay. I have an original Dell power supply plugged into it. And let me turn it on. And now you'll notice when it boots, you're not going to get the power problem at the very beginning that said the adapter's wrong. And like I said, I tried another adapter, a universal, which works on everything. It did not work on this. It still gave the problem. It still didn't work. But with just an original Dell power supply, boom, back up and running at the original speed, 3.39. And that's it. So Dell is putting proprietary parts in their power supplies and in their machines. And if you don't use the original Dell part, you have a problem, which is very sad for the computer industry. Okay, so I'm going to end it here on this box. That was hours of messing with it, actually. I tried everything. BIOS updates, everything. All driver update, chipset update, video card update, Windows updates. And it turned out to be just something as simple as the power supply, which is sad. Very sad. Nice little unit, only running at 10 watts though. The original goal of this was to bench this thing. My goal was the Can It Game series, but I'm going to end it on this first one that gave me so many problems. And we'll make another video starting off Will It Game now. But I'm going to make a separate video here just regarding this power supply problem. All right, hope you liked the video. If this helped anybody, I'm sure it's going to. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm only about 28 subscribers right now, so I'd like to get this number up to 1,000. Start getting some of that ching-ching. All right, everybody, have a good day. Bye. Oh, and one more thing. Thank you for watching the video. And if you comment Firefly down in the comments, I'm going to be giving away a backlit keyboard to one of my subscribers. Let me show you this. So I got a case. It's probably about 20, 30 keyboards. They're these Firefly backlit keyboards. So if you would like to win one of these keyboards, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment Firefly down in the comment section. And when we hit 500 subscribers, I will send it out to you. You guys have a good day. Bye.